What is up, everyone? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with a new video today on the cryptocurrency markets. Now, I usually avoid videos like this because I feel like they're lazy content. Anyone could just sit here and talk about the markets, oh, this went up this much, this went up this much, this went down this much. I feel like it's just lazy content and you guys deserve better. But today I made an exception because I think today is a pretty big day for the markets and it highlights what I've been saying, and it highlights and proves right my past advice. So let's get into it. Bitcoin is up 10% so far. Price is just under 4K. Getting a lot of double-digit gains today in a lot of different cryptos, but Bitcoin especially is up 10%, 10.16%. And I said the other day, buy the dip, buy the dip. Ignore the gloom and doom. Ignore the people, oh, it's all going to crash. Ignore the people say the sky is falling. Ignore those people because it is going to come right back up. It's going to surge. Buy the dip. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. I'm not saying you should sell now, of course. I'm saying, just buy low when it comes to Bitcoin especially. It's a long-term investment. But it highlights what I've been saying. So Bitcoin is up 10%. If you bought the other day when I said to, you probably would have made some pretty decent gains. Well, not probably, mathematically, you would have made some decent gains depending on when you bought it, but probably anywhere between 10 to 20% you would have made if you bought it on my last video. That is why you have to make sure you are subscribed so you are updated with my content. Onto Ethereum. Ethereum is up, I think, the most for any crypto today. It's up 13%, or almost 14. It's 13.43%. Just under 300. It's at $284.73 per coin. Now, I haven't made an Ethereum video in a while, and it's kind of because the coin has been, not really the coin, but you know what I'm saying. It's been kind of like, not boring per se, but it's been just hovering around this price. It hasn't really been dramatically moving too much. But I do own quite a bit of Ethereum, so it's not as if I'm only covering coins that I own, because if I was covering coins that I own, I'd be covering Ethereum a lot more. It's just that it hasn't been moving too much and there hasn't been too much news on it, but I think that's starting to change. I think Ethereum is ready for a little bit of a bull run. I'd like to see it past 300. I think it's very easily, by the end of the month could do that. But again, that's just my prediction. That's just me looking at charting data. I think it's going to go up, 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 drop a little bit, go up, 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 and eventually it will be, definitely at 300 at the very least by the end of the month. Bitcoin Cash up 10%. I don't really deal with Bitcoin Cash too much. But from what I hear and what I've read, Bitcoin Cash is growing. I don't think it will ever reach the price of normal Bitcoin, but it is growing. Now, Ripple is up, and I've covered Ripple numerous times in the past month. Ripple is something I'm very interested in. Ripple is up almost 4%, 3.53%. It's not up a ton, but I think that's because, like I've said in the past, of Ripple's high supply. You really need to get a surge in demand for Ripple to go up because the supply is so large. With that being said, even if it doesn't get a ton of demand, it gets some demand, it'll still go up a little bit, right? You don't need something to make dramatic up and down gains all the time. Ripple, I feel like, is a more stable currency, or is going to be a more stable currency in the future. It's not making these huge swings, at least it hasn't recently, but it is going up gradually. So yeah, there's that. Litecoin is up 10.66%. I mean, I am interested in Litecoin, but I want to keep this video under 5 minutes, so I don't want to really go into too many other cryptos. I think I should wrap it up around here. Did you guys enjoy this little recap? If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe, share the video, check out my links in the description. I have a lot of affiliate links there, and if you want to support my channel, that's how. I might be making a Patreon soon. I really appreciate all the love I've been getting. I'm gaining a ton of subscribers. At like 50,000 views this month so far, and I'm just loving this right now. You know, all my cryptos are up. I am in the green. My stocks are up. I am in the green. Right now, I'm doing pretty well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.